Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to give potassium chloride Roman 4. First, always confirm the patient's potassium levels and renal function before starting. Ensure the solution is properly diluted, typically no more than 40 milliequivalents per liter, to prevent vein irritation and cardiac issues. Double-check the 5 rights of medication administration: right patient, drug, dose, route, and time. This careful preparation is crucial for safe and effective treatment. Proper dilution is paramount when preparing potassium chloride for intravenous infusion. Typically, you will dilute the prescribed dose in 100 milliliters or more of a compatible intravenous fluid, such as normal saline or dextrose, 5% in water. Ensure the solution is thoroughly mixed to avoid concentrated pockets. This step is vital to prevent serious adverse effects, including cardiac arrest, which can occur with rapid or undiluted administration. Always follow your institution's specific protocols. Administering potassium chloride intravenously requires careful attention to the infusion rate. Use an infusion pump to ensure a steady and controlled delivery, typically at a rate of 10 to 20 milliequivalents per hour. Rapid infusion can lead to hyperkalemia and life-threatening cardiac arrhythmias. Monitor the patient's electrocardiogram for any changes and regularly assess their vital signs and urine output. Promptly report any adverse reactions or discomfort to the healthcare provider. Remember, potassium chloride is a high-alert medication. Never administer it as an intravenous push or bolus, as this can be fatal. Always verify the patient's identity and the medication order with another registered nurse before administration. Continuously monitor the patient for any signs of discomfort or adverse reactions throughout the infusion. For more helpful resources and to check out some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, please see the links in the description below. Your patient safety is always the top priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.